Hey, it's Rafael Cintron here, and in this video, I'm going to show you two product research tools that can find you a dropshipping product that can make you up to 6 figures and more. I'm not getting paid by these tools, and many people are not talking about these tools. I haven't really seen any videos about them, and there's not that much information out there. They're pretty good, they're inexpensive, pretty cheap, specifically for beginners. Let's check them out. Before we go into the tools and I show you how they actually work, if you're interested in learning how to grow or start your Shopify business, take it to the next level directly from me, I'm holding a live Shopify training that's gonna last for 5 days. It's coming up in 2 weeks from now in a private Facebook group. If you wanna join that group and learn everything you need about Shopify for free, you don't need to pay anything about it, make sure to click that first link down in the description and sign up for the private Facebook group. Now, to the tools, the first one is called Dropship Rabbit. So this tool, what it does is I'm going to go through here. You just have the homepage. It tells you find a winner today. You can also here have product lists include, and they give you the different things that the product lists have. This particular product research tool is $15 per month. You can also upgrade to the $20 per month. So it's a cheap one. I didn't get one for $200 or anything like that. So you get the title, obviously, you get the manufacturer, so people that are selling the product on AliExpress, everything that you need within that process. You also have link to other competitors' store, which a lot of different other tools have all of these features. They have the products, they have the pictures, link to the best suppliers, ad text, targeted audiences, tools like Ecom Hunt, AliShark, Niche Scraper, all these tools have these products. The thing is with this tool and with the other tool that I'm going to show you, they can show up products that don't show on those other tools. So it might be a really good one for you to go and check out. So what we're going to do is we're going to click here on winning products. And then what it's going to give you is basically last week's bestseller top 50. What you can also do is click view all products here. And then it's going to show you all of the products that they recently added to the tool. So it doesn't have any specific searches. All you can do is click on the niches. So let's say you're selling car accessories, you're selling home and kitchen, for example, which is a really big niche. You're selling health and beauty. So home and kitchen, for example, if I want to click on that, it shows me the best products for home and kitchen. Now, a lot of products that show up here do show up in other tools. They are a little bit saturated, but once in a while, you find a really good product that you can sell on your Shopify store. For example, this particular one, this solar powered fountain pump, I've seen it a couple of times, but I didn't really think much of it until I saw it in this tool. And then I checked the AliExpress supplier, the first one, and then I checked the order volume on it. It had 4,000 orders. I then went to use Asify. Asify is basically a Chrome extension that allows you to see how many sales an AliExpress product gets per day. So we can click on the sales statistic chart here, and it's getting about 22 sales per day, 150 per week. So a product that can do, let's say, $600 up to $1,000 per day consistently if you go and sell it. I didn't really think much of it, didn't think that it could do really well, but it's selling on AliExpress, selling really well, and it also popped up on the spy tool. So what you can do is find the spy tool like this. You can either use Dropship Rabbit or use whatever you want, or the second one that I'm going to show you. And then they also give you the store selling this item, so you can then go and watch that store and model it. I wouldn't recommend copy pasting it into your store. Do not copy or steal other people's stores. You can also check the Facebook ad that they give you here, and then you can check what kind of Facebook ad is running for this. It started on 6 July and already has 20,000 likes or 20,000 engagement, 4.3 thousand comments. That is a great indication that this product can do extremely well in the coming, let's say, 1 or 2 weeks. This is a product for summer though, so be careful selling it into winter. I wouldn't particularly sell this particular product going into, let's say, October or November or more. So let's go back to the tool. And then let's go to winning products again. And we can keep going through the top 50, for example. And here we can find this particular one. I found it and it looks really good. It's a car camo cover. So basically when people have a car that they want to protect or cover when they go camping, hunting, or any outdoor sports, this particular product can do really well. I found it here. If we go to the AliExpress supplier, it's selling about 2,447 per day. What this basically is just a car cover with camouflage. So it looks really cool, first of all. Second of all, if you're going hunting, camping, or any outdoor sports, you can cover your car like this. And another cover might just be you just want it in your house. You want it to look cool as you cover it. It's an inexpensive product depending on the size, and it's also selling pretty well, doing about 13 to 15 sales per day, or about 100 per week. This particular product, you can sell it for, let's say, $50 to $60. So a product that can do 5K or so per week. So we found this product, and then you can go through all these products right here. For example, this one is showing up on a few spy tools. This one is pretty good, the magnetic stress release fidget spinner or fidget. You can check the AliExpress link, and they also give you the actual product page, like what you can put on the product page. The little video, the GIF is pretty good. This one is not found as well. So they do have some glitches, not the best tool out there, definitely. I just thought I would share with you because I share with my private students, and we did find some really cool products on here. So definitely not the best tool out there, definitely not the best technology out there, but still a good one to use. You can go through all the segments that they have here: Smart Smile, Electric Head Lice Comb, and so on. So that's all for Dropship Rabbit. Now we're gonna go to another one called DropTrends, DropTrends.site, and this tool is also owned by the company that makes DropPoint.site. And DropPoint is basically a tool that allows you to check Facebook ads. So for example, as you can see here, there's a lot of Facebook ads popping up. And if you want to click here on the keywords, you can do, for example, kitchen. And DropPoint will tell you the ads that pop up for kitchen. So let's say I sign in. I'm going to show you DropPoint too. I'm going to show you 3 tools here. So for example, let's say I want to find a kitchen product, then I can just go and put kitchen here on the keywords. Instead of worldwide, I can do United States because that's obviously where I'm targeting. And then I can go and filter this, and it's going to show me Facebook ads for the kitchen keyword that actually have that kitchen keyword. Or you can put anything else: baby, pet, parents, whatever the niche is that you're actually selling. So for example, here we can now offer you, this is an automatic dispenser for soap. This is Radish Kids. I think this is a meal prep company. Then you have this particular product. You have this other one. This product, this cutter here, these covers. Film, what is this? Every kitchen? Film storage. That seems pretty cool. Last seen 2 weeks ago. It tells you the engagement as well. And then you can click on the actual product or the actual store that is selling this product. And then you can go to sales source. If you don't have sales source, that's fine. You can just go and check the actual store. Let's click on Analyze Store and see how much this store is actually making. It's making around $300,000 to $600,000 per month. So really good. We found a really good store making 300, 600 grand a month. That showed up on DropPoint. Awesome. We found a store doing 6 figures or more. We found the product that they're selling. Now what you can also do is check the bestseller products. So for example, in this case, they actually block the bestsellers, I think. Yeah. This is a hidden section. So a lot of stores that are doing really well, they actually will block their bestseller section. So another spy tool can't really look at the bestsellers. But in this case, we know that this product is running on Facebook. It's running on Facebook ads. Last seen 2 weeks ago. The store is doing really well. So this product can do really well moving forward in the next couple of weeks. Now that's DropPoint. DropTrends, which is their parent site. As you can see here, I also got an account there. This particular just shows you products. So DropPoint shows you Facebook ads. DropTrends shows you products. So in this case, let's say I want to look for a keyword like, let's say I want to sell baby products, and then the product date, I can do 2020, 2019 by month. So for example, what specific month that product showed up as a winner. All I'm going to do is just limit it to 2020. And then I'm going to do sort by, and you can also sort by newest products, high popularity products. You can sort by highest revenue. You can sort by engaged, and you can sort by trending. So in this case, I'm just going to do high popularity. And then also you can do the niche. So all the different niches that they have here, you can choose which one you want. You can also choose the experience required, which I thought was a really cool feature. By the way, DropPoint and DropTrends are both $5 per month. So very cheap, even cheaper than Dropship Rabbit. So I didn't get expensive tools, $5 a month. Marketing experience, let's say you're a beginner, you don't know that much, you're just looking for products. You can do low marketing experience. And then price range, you don't need to touch that. We go and click filter, and they also have a next product drop, which basically means every time they add new products. So there's a baby doll, which looks really weird. Baby monitor, baby toothbox. This sells really well. Baby rocking chair. So this might be this actually is 6 months ago. That's not good. Let's do no keywords and filter. 7 months ago, 6 months ago, 1 week ago. So that might be really good. 3 months ago, that's okay. I would recommend staying within 1 to 2 months ago. So actually, let's do, instead of 2020, let's just do all winning products and then sort by newest products. So we can find newer products. Okay, 1 day ago, 1 day ago, 3 days ago. Masks for Halloween are gonna be key. They're gonna sell a lot in the next month or so for Halloween. So definitely a good product to consider, Halloween products. Before we move on, I just want to congratulate Muzi Sashi from Australia for winning our 0 to 60,000 per month case study that I did with my student Ryan. We show you the products, the ads, and the whole strategy that it took to get him to that point and to the 6-figure level. If you want to win that for free on this video, all you got to do is comment down below your country or city where you're watching us from, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and that like button, and I'll pick a winner from this video. This stainless steel corn thresher. Let's see what that is. Okay, so it takes care of preparing your corn. You can go to the bottom. Oh, by the way, this is how the product shows. I didn't show this. The images show up on the top. Then you have the product promo video, which basically means a video that you can use on your Facebook ads or on your Shopify store. All you got to do is click this button right here and click download, and then you can just download the video. I would not recommend copying it and using it for your Facebook ads. I recommend editing it and changing it up or adding some clips of it to your Facebook ad video or to your product page video. Don't just go take it, steal it, upload it onto your store. Definitely don't want to do that. Product description, basically things that are about the product. So price, product cost, profit margin, saturation value. I don't really know how they measure this. I think if it's 100%, it's bad. If it's 50% or less, it's good. That's what I saw from analyzing the tool. Then first seen 4 days ago, last seen just now. Great. Now, we can also look at marketing and competitors, what particular stores are selling this. So what you can do is, let's say we go to Blueberry Shop. You can view advertising post, and we can go to the actual Facebook ad that is selling this product. And we can see here, Blueberry Shop, 300 likes, 24 comments. We can then go to the store that is selling this product, and let's click on that. And then we can also analyze the store, see how they're structuring it, see how they're showing off the product, the presentation of the product, all of that. Okay, we can also click on sales source to analyze the store and see how much money it's actually making on Shopify. Then if you go down to the bottom, while that loads, or actually loaded already, this store is making 20 to 40K per month, is selling this product, advertising this product. This might be a good one that you want to check and actually see if they're making good money or if it can make money for your store. So definitely a good product to test or start testing. That can make you 5, 10K a month, not a huge product. You also have suggested influencers that you can use on Instagram, which is a cool feature. And then you also have private shops, stores that are actually selling this item or that they recognize that they have this item on the store. And then finally, you have the suppliers, which is the AliExpress listings or the AliExpress suppliers that have this product and can ship the product over to your customer. All you got to do is click on view product, and then it'll show you the actual AliExpress page. This particular product doesn't have that many orders on AliExpress, which is a red flag. So for example, if the product has 102, 39, 17, 31, that's not really an indication that this product can do really well. If the product has 1,000, 2,000 or more, then that's a great indication that the product can do well. But in this case, not that really many orders. I would still test it just because there's stores that are selling it. There's a lot of stores selling it. You have good quality video, or at least medium quality video here, and it's supposed to sell really well. So if you are a beginner, if you're selling products in the kitchen niche, then I would definitely recommend you test it. That's how the tool works, and that is how you can find a really good winner. I suggest not just go with what the tool tells you, do your own research and go and analyze everything by yourself with the strategies that I teach, and also just go into deep, okay, how many sales is it getting on AliExpress per day, how much money the store is making, how many sales does it have in total, and everything that it needs to actually make sure that your product that you're picking is a good winning product that you can profit from later. Now that you know some tools to find these products, if you want to shortcut the process and actually have me find you the products, I actually made a video on the top 7 winning products to sell right now. You want to check that in this video right here. Top 7 winning products to dropship and sell on your Shopify store right now. Make sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell, that like button, and join us for the 5-day training in the first link in the description.